Can you solve all these horticulture questions? The culture of flowers.
Well reasoned. Floriculture is correct.
It means garden culture. Clear logic. Horticulture is sound.
It means land management.
You got it. Agronomy fits. Agriculture does not consist. Smart pick. Business is correct. Practice of growing field crops. Great thinking. Agronomy is right. The scientific study of plants. Bravo, botany is the answer. What is growing of grapes called? Good job. Viticulture works well. The cultivation of grapes is called. Great job. Viticulture is accurate. Cultivation of grapes is defined as. Nice work. Viticulture fits perfectly. In Sahara Desert, dash takes place.
Correct. Nomadic herding is spot on.
Growing flowers are identified under. Valid point. Horticulture is true. What does the word horticulture mean?
Smart move. Garden cultivation is accurate answer.
The study of plants and their processes. Sharp thinking. Botany is right. The science and practice of beekeeping. Strong choice. Apiculture is right. The growing of flowers or foliage plants.
Nicely done. Floral production is solid.
Floriculture is also referred to as dash. Well picked. Ornamental horticulture is correct. Which part of biology deals with plants? Solid response. Botany is valid. The part of biology that deals with animals. Exactly. Zoology makes sense. The production and distribution of flowers. Excellent. Floriculture is well reasoned. Dash is the commercial rearing of silkworms. Well done. Sericulture is right. The following are areas of agriculture except. Excellent choice. Pharmacology is right. The growing and using of plants for their beauty.
Right again. Ornamental horticulture is valid.
A plant that completes its life cycle in 1 year. Perfect. Annual is the one. The culture of plants for food, comfort, and beauty. On track. Horticulture is correct. Growing of crops and rearing of animals is known as. Right choice. Agriculture is best. The science and practice of growing field crops dash.
Good thinking. Agronomy is right.
Which division of horticulture focuses on vegetables? You chose olericulture. Correct. Producing and using plants to beautify the environment.
Correct response. Landscape horticulture is accurate.
What is a term often used for ornamental horticulture? Or. Nice selection. Green industry is correct. Which branch of horticulture produces fruits and nuts? You're right. Pomology is correct.
What branch of horticulture deals with the care of trees? Clear logic. Arboriculture is sound.
The growth and use of plants for their beauty is known as. Good thinking. Ornamental horticulture is right. Which horticulture division includes vegetable production? Smart pick. Olericulture is correct. Horticulture is the cultivation of which of the following?
Good job. Gardens works well. Area of horticulture that involves fruit and nut production.
You chose pomology? Correct. If environmental disaster strikes a region, dash may ensue. Nice selection. Femine is correct. Rearing of silkworm for the production of silk is known as? Exactly. Sericulture makes sense. Which division of horticulture focuses on tree-grown fruits? Strong choice. Pomology is right. What term is often used to describe ornamental horticulture? You got it? Green industry fits. What is the growing of fruits, vegetables, and flower called? Perfect. Horticulture is the one. If someone starts rearing silkworms, this practice is called? Correct. Sericulture is spot on. Branch of science that deals with plant and animal organisms. Valid point. Biology is true. Which of the following is provided by landscape horticulture? Correct response. Aesthetics is accurate. Which branch primarily focuses on plant and soil interaction? Excellent choice. Agronomy is right. Medicinal horticulture is not used for which of the following? Right again. Acupuncture is valid. Science, N, practice of growing, managing, and harvesting trees. Right choice. Forestry is best. The art and science of soil cultivation to rear crops is called? Bravo. Agriculture is the answer. Which area of science is most closely associated with horticulture? Sharp thinking. Botany is right. Area of horticulture that involves the production of vegetable crops. Solid response. Olericulture is valid. The design, installation, and maintenance of plants inside buildings. Smart move. Interior-scaping is accurate answer. All of the following are environmental values of horticulture except. Well picked. Provides jobs is correct. The production, transportation, and use of flowers and foliage plants. Nicely done. Floriculture is solid. Producing and using plants to make outdoor environments more appealing. On track. Landscape horticulture is correct. Branch of horticulture, which deals with the scientific study of fruit. Nice work. Pomology fits perfectly. The production and use of plants to beautify the outdoor environment is. Well done. Landscape horticulture is right. Which one of these positions listed below is never related to horticulture? You're right. Marketing specialist is correct. The field of science that deals with the cultivation of horticultural plants. Excellent. Horticulture science is well reasoned. Dash is the production of plants and animals to meet the basic human's needs. Great job. Agriculture is accurate. The culture of plants for food, comfort and beautification purposes is known as. Great thinking. Horticulture is right.
What is the science and technology of cultivating crops for food, fiber, and fuel?
Well reasoned. Agronomy is correct.
Aside from economic value, what is a value associated with ornamental horticulture?
Clear logic. Psychological well-being is sound.
The planting, harvesting, storing, processing, and marketing of fruit and nut crops.
Nice selection. Pomology is correct.
What is the science, cultivation, processing, storage, and marketing of fruits and nuts?
Well picked. Pomology is correct.
Dash is a primary commercial activity of growing fruits, vegetables, and flowers for sale.
You got it. Horticulture fits.
What area of horticulture is concerned with growing, selling, designing, and arranging flowers?
You chose floriculture. Correct.
Science and practice of growing, processing, and marketing fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants.
Good thinking. Horticulture is right.
The science and practice of growing, harvesting, storing, designing, and marketing flowering plant is.
Great job. Floriculture is accurate.
The extensive production of plants, animal feed, processed food ingredients.
On track. Agronomy is correct.
The cultivation, processing, and marketing of flowers, ornamental plants, vegetables, fruits, and nuts is.
Smart pick. Horticulture is correct.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format?
Nicely done. Contact Narayan Chengder is solid.